Hi, this is Eva from Wudkwency Artistry. Welcome to another exciting DIY project of making a Duplex Servemaster Tray. This simple design of two-tiered serving tray is perfect for entertaining or simply adding a touch of elegance to your home. This project is designed for woodworking enthusiasts of all levels and is completely free to download. You can download the free PDF pattern for Scrollsaw cutting and DXF file for CNC or laser cutting. The download link is available in the description. The two-tiered design provides ample space for serving a variety of items, making it perfect for entertaining guests or everyday use. You can customize the tray to fit your style and decor, whether you prefer a rustic look or a more modern finish. Building your own serving tray is a cost-effective alternative to buying one, saving you money, while allowing you to create something unique. You can create personalized trays as gifts for friends and family, adding a personal touch to your presents.
If you like this pattern, then hit the like button and join us to stay updated about the new content. Thanks for watching.